What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And I am very excited to do this video for you guys. We'll actually show you guys how I got my hair color. You know what I'm saying? Something real fall festive. But subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your friends. Also, follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. And yeah, let's get straight into this video, sis. All right, so I have everything that I need now. I had to go out and get some daggone gloves because I thought they had gloves in these boxes, but they don't. So I picked up two different colors. So I got magenta. I got 2 boxes of magenta and I got 1 box of red. And then I also got 720 volume developer. I got my mixing bowl and everything and my gloves that I got from Target. And yeah. Oh my gosh. These are good gloves. I said these directions are literally trash. I'm sitting here trying to read it to see how much developer I should put in it because my hair is already blonde. And I'm going to use 20 volume I'm going to use 20 volume developer because this is why we come and watch YouTube videos, because the directions suck. They're not specific enough for me. Got my bow and I'm gonna put, ooh, it's so pretty. All right, so the directions were pretty accurate. So I pretty much just put both of the magenta in the bowl and then I squeezed half the tube of the red into the bowl and then mixed it up, and I just kept pouring some of the developer into the bowl just until it got creamy and like soft looking. And then yeah, that was it. Like, it was pretty simple. All right, so here's my hair. I'm about to detangle it. I haven't washed it in a week, but after this, I'm definitely going to wash it. So I'm about to go ahead and detangle, and then I'll come back when I'm done detangling. Putting on my gloves. These are really loose gloves, but they gonna work for today, okay? I would recommend getting some tighter gloves because these are very, very loose. So this is my concoction. Wow, it literally looks like I'm putting Kool-Aid on my hair right now. Oh my gosh, I don't even look like Ronald McDonald. I look like the Kool-Aid Jammer man. Wow, why did I do that to myself? Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I freaking learned was I shouldn't have put this bright red mixed with the magenta. I shouldn't even use the magenta. I should have used a darker burgundy because my hair, as you guys can see, is blonde, so it's already lifted and it would have took, it's going to take the color well. So I should have started with a darker burgundy, which you'll see me do in round 2 of me dyeing my hair. But yeah, I'm not no cosmetologist or anything. I just do my hair for fun, and yeah, live and you learn. So if you do have dark hair, definitely try the L'Oreal High color because it is for like lifting darker hair. All right, so I'm about to put my cap on and then I'm going to chill and I'm gonna put my timer on for 25 minutes.
I thought you were going for like a darker red.
What in the world? What was I thinking? I don't know, y'all. I do not know. But yeah, I do want you guys to know that in between me doing round 1 of the fail and round 2 of me actually getting the color that I wanted, I did deep condition my hair. I'll put what I use to deep condition my hair in the description box below, as well as with all the other stuff that I use, the colors and all that will be down there, so definitely check that out. Yeah, so I have a new game plan. I went to Sally's and everything. I'm going to be recording too. So she told me to pick up some moisturizing and neutralizing shampoo, because that's going to help like keep the red in longer. I got this color, Red Velvet. I'm about to wash this conditioner out, and then I'm gonna put this on top.
Day 2.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear.
Alright, so new hair hoodies. I am finished. This is how it came out. So after I washed out my hair, I just did some bantu knots, and then I put it up into high puff. But yeah, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you guys did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Subscribe if you're not already part of the gang. Ooh, let me put that down. Part of the gang. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave it in the comment section below. You can also DM me on Instagram. It's at naturally.sunny. Definitely follow me on there. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.